Spiced up the chicken with this brine, with salt, orange peel, cloves, herbs. I let it thaw out in this brine. Look at the cloves, the orange peel. Drained it, patted dry, then added this sea salt, garlic, lemon, herb seasoning on it. Using grass-fed ghee, clarified butter without the dairy content so I can make a blonde roux for this white chili. Going with a 40-60 ratio for the flour. Mixed it up, low heat, so I get a nice sandy color for a blonde roux. Wanted to have some body and a bit more flavor for this white chili. Using half and half instead of a heavy whipping cream for less fat content. This is a bean puree that I blended earlier with sour cream and chicken stock to give more body and flavor to the white chili. Just mix and simmer it over low heat while preparing to saute the vegetables. Using avocado oil since I'll be topping it with avocados and it has a high smoke point for sauteing the vegetables. Also added some oregano and cilantro dry herbs to this. Using low sodium chicken broth to loosen up and deglaze the seasoning. Adding the chicken with a little bit more cumin. Can't have chili without cumin. Needed a little bit more flavor, so I added a better than bouillon roasted turkey. You can see the bay leaf in there. It's looking good. About to throw this in the oven. Nice texture. Look at them herbs and spices. Got the chicken chili. White chicken chili on deck. I'm gonna try to see if we can make a whole different kind of chili here. Hot and fresh out of the oven at 275 for about an hour and a half. Adding the last ingredient, which is a cap of vinegar, white vinegar, to bring out a little bit more flavor.